Welcome back to another episode of the Chasing That Money Show. And of course, I'm your host, Leon Wilson. Well, the tank just crashed. It just ran all over us. And then on Thursday morning, I'm recording this on Friday. But on Thursday morning, oh my goodness, what a day. It was a gloomy type of day. But the jobs report came out and it helped the situation and it's starting to change, but the market is like bottom out. If you look at some of the top producers in the market, Apple, Google, Microsoft, Tesla, you name it, General Motors, you name it, all of them are down. Some of them are at their 52-week lows. It's time to buy. It's time to buy. This is what you look for in the stock market. You want to buy on the dip. Well, this right here is more than a dip. This is like a crater. Well, listen, myself, I'm trying to add up my pennies so I can jump right in because this is the time. Some of these strong companies that we have, when you're talking about Google or Apple or some of these big name companies, you know they're coming back. You know they're coming back. You know that Christmas is coming, Black Friday is coming, so you know Amazon is going to come back heavy, right? Why not jump in now? I'm just saying, you don't have to do anything. I just know what I'm going to do. Buy on the dip. Tyler, this episode is when is a good time to get in the stock market? Please. It's right now. This is showing you what it's all about. Right here, I'm going to show you a graph of what the market looked like right after the feds came. As you can see, after they gave their report, man, it tanked the market. And this is it. This is the definition of being a bull in a bear market. When people are trying to get out, when people are trying to sell, when people are trying to let it go at these cheap prices, you need to be picking it up like those kids was picking up for Halloween, picking up the candy off the ground. You need to be grabbing and reaching and stashing every place you can. Now's the time to buy. Always buy on the dip. I never buy anything when it's on that rise up. I wait for it to hit some type of ceiling, some type of resistance, maybe drop back down to support, and then comes back up and break through that resistance, then I'll buy. But this is a good time for people in the market. It's not so good for everybody else though. Not so good for people who had planned on retiring soon. If you got that 401k, if you've been in the market for a while and you're going long, some of these companies are at rock bottom. So now you got to hold on. You got to hold on. And hopefully you got some good stocks that will come back. But you got to hold on. You can't be scared. You can't get out unless you have to. I mean, sometimes you need that money. But this is a bad time to have to sell out and get out of the market. But it's a great time if you're just getting into the market. If you're testing the water, you just got your feet in the water, you're trying to see what it's all about. This is that time to really look in, get you some solid companies. Remember, do your research. Never buy anything without researching the company first. You have to make sure that they're sound companies, that nothing strange is going on in the background. Like the CEO is embezzling the company, or there's a big shift in the company, or like Tesla, when Elon Musk just laid off half of his employees in Twitter. I'm going to wait on Twitter. I'm going to wait on that. I think there's a bottom coming for Twitter, and it's going to be a while. But I do have faith in Elon Musk as a businessman and being able to bring a company and turn it around. Maybe this time next year, Twitter will be in a different place. You just have to keep it on the back burner. Keep an eye out, watching those trends, watching those candles, seeing what's going on. If you're an options trader, you can jump in and jump out quickly. But going long, I don't think they're at the bottom. I think there's plenty of room for them to go down. But again, when is the best time to get in the stock market? Right now.